Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Odoo for Beginners. Today I am going to discuss one use case. It's regarding with that manufacturing. Okay, so what the use case is that? Let's consider we are manufacturing any of finished product that uses two assembly line. First, which is the main assembly line, and another one which is the backup assembly line. Currently I am considering those as a work center A and work center B. Actually, production use that main assembly line. But for some of the purpose, some of the maintenance, that work center A means main assembly line will be remain off for 2 days. So at the same time, we want Odoo to route those production orders and work orders to automatically on work center B, means backup assembly line on 2 periods, on 2 days. So how we can do that? Using Odoo standard. So let's discover that. Odoo has that feature which is the work center time off. But before that, let me configure that bill of material and let me create that work centers. Okay. So I am creating that warehouse first. I haven't that warehouse now. Let me check. Okay. I have. Let me check that everything is there. Now I am going to create any products. Let's consider I am creating one product which is that finished product. Okay. And we are just going to track inventory and save. I am going to create a raw material for that. Raw material. Okay. And save. Okay. I am just going to make some count on hand count for that. Okay. Let's add 100 is there. Okay. Now this is the same thing. Now I am creating work centers. So for that, let me go into that main assembly line, but let me make it as a work center A, which is my main assembly line. Okay, and what I am going to do, I am create one more, which is the work center B. Okay, now here we are going to use that concept of alternative also. What we want, then when the main assembly line will be not available on maintenance or cleaning period, the work orders will be automatically routed to work center B. So let me make it as a work center B and let me save it. Okay. Now I am going to create that operations, which is the assembly. Which one will be the bill of material for test finish? Let me check that I have created that bill of material or not, or let me create that bill of material first. My product, no, I have to create that finished A, finished product A, okay, and row A. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, I'm adding that operations. For that operations, let me go to finished product A, work center A. Now that period is there. Okay, now everything is perfect. Now let me check that bill of material again. That is operation is automatically. Let me refresh it so it will be more clear. Yeah, operation is already linked. Okay, now what we are going to do, that work center A will be remain off for 2 days. So here we can schedule it. So let me go to that work center. This work center A will be remain off. So what we have to do, here we can see that working hours. We have to click on that and be sure that you must have installed that time of application. Click on that. Okay, and cleaning purpose, cleaning of work center. Okay, this resource will be our work center A currently. On which 2 days? Let's consider on 14 and 15. This will be my 14. Apply, and we have to add that and date also. For this 2 days, my work center A means main assembly will be remain off for this cleaning purpose. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to schedule the manufacturing order on the date of 14, and let's check what happens exactly. Okay. So now I am going to do the manufacturing for the product. This is my finished A. Okay. Let me manufacture the 10 products. We are going to schedule on 14th. Time duration is 8. And apply. I'm going to schedule on the 14th. And let's check. Currently you can see that it's a work centers A. Let me make it, okay, and let me confirm it. Now still it's a work center A. Now if I will going to click on that plan, so here you can see that it automatically changed to work center B, as we have mentioned that work center E will be remain off on 14 to 15. So this is the simple, but it will be quite useful in some business case. Thank you.